Hello everyone, greetings from Serpent Consulting Services Private Limited. So, welcome to another video of ServVisa, that's Visa Management System. So, in this video, we are going to check out what are the configurations available for a sales team and how you can create if you are using multi companies and how to create new users for specific countries. And also we are going to discuss regarding the access rights for specific users. And we can also check how you can find the invoicing details. So let's jump into the service. Once you log in, you can see the dashboard. So here, if you go in services and click on the sales team option, where you can see the how many sales team we have already created here. Here you can see two sales team. So this is basically Ahmedabad sales team. So here you get the option to choose the different color. So when you choose this color, it automatically changes color over here for specific sales team. So here you can see the invoicing details and target as well. So it's a 25K is a target, and so far 20K it's billed for this particular month. So here you can see the reporting section. So there are different kinds of reports are available. So when you click on the leads, you can see the leads reporting section. Whether it's a line graph, you can check also from the pie chart as well. Here you get the option to choose whether you want to check the reporting by salesperson, by sales team, or by city wise or country wise as well. So here you can see the pipeline. So it's open opportunities if you click here. So here you can see these are the open opportunities. So those all application has been generated for specific sales team. So if this Samarth is a new application, if he is interested and if you is a qualified, you can just put drag over here in qualified stage. And he registered in your company and he already paid, you can just put in as one stage as well. So likewise, you can create multiple sales team. So how you can create, I will show you from the settings. You get the option. So here, once you click on the settings, you get the sales team name. So you can add the sales team name as well. You can also define the sales team leader as well. And also you can add email alias, and you can choose which company is the sales team is belong to which company. You can choose from here. And here we have given option as a team members. So you can add the team members for this sales team. So we have created only just two users here. So only two options are coming. Otherwise list of users will reflect over here and you can just select and create the team member for sales team. So once you save this here, you can get the option of create. So you can create another sales team as well. So this is the part of sales team. Now we are going to check how you can create a new user. So once you click on a settings, you can see the dashboard. This is the setting dashboard where you can see users and company. So once you click that, you will get two options. So if I'm selecting users, you can directly create user from here. So that you require the name, email address, and these are the access right you can set up for this particular user. So here you get the if you are having a multi companies and if you are managing, if you want to give access to manage two companies, so you need to add this users into allowed companies. So if I'll select this company, so they can check all the details about that particular company as well. So we are going to discard here and we will check what we have currently admin user. So if you can see admin, they have access allowed companies for both the companies, so they can check all the details. Here we have application access right. So if ServVisa and if you give the access for application manager, they can also generate the leads as well as the applications. But if you select the ServVisa lead manager, so they can only generate the leads, but they are not allowed to generate the application. Same with if you don't want to show the accounting features to a specific user, you can select none so they can't see those fields. And same with the administration. So once you click on the settings, they can view and they can also edit the access right for the users. So this is how you can create the user and set up the access rights. So same with the companies. So if I'm checking this company, you can create also a new one. And so what other information is required? You can also put the logo here, and you can just create the company name and the basic address information and website, as well as the phone number, GST number if you have. And these are the currency. You can also choose the currency. And if this is a multi-company, if you are using and this company is belong to this parent company, you can choose the parent company, which is the main company. We have given the accounts, so social media accounts you can set up, whether it's a Twitter, Facebook, GitHub account, LinkedIn account, and as well as the Instagram accounts. So this is how you can create a new company. So I will show you for the users actually. uh, from the action, you can also change the password for specific users. So you can change the password, as well as you can just give the user login. Or you can also choose the email ID as a user login as well. So this is how you can configure users and companies. So now let's check out the invoicing details. So here, if you click on the invoicing, you can see the customers, vendors, reporting, and configurations. So let's start with the configuration first. So you get the option of a taxes. So whatever the taxes you want to apply for this specific application, you can just make it active or inactive. So once you select, you will get option. Those are the options you can get when you generate the invoice. And then fiscal position, you can also create the fiscal position for your company. The bank accounts details, so you can generate the account numbers for specific country. So it will help you when generating the invoice, whether you want to take it as a bank or wire transfer or any other payment gateway. Same way in the accounting module, you can also set up the journals as well, and what type of journals you can select, and the company name as well. And here is the payment terms, which is very important. When you are generating the payments, if you are taking 15 days or immediate payment, you can also create the payment term. So when you generate the invoice, they will get the option. So immediate payment, if you select the 50%, so you can also 50% for the invoice as well. So these are the payment term configuration. So payment requires, if you are taking online payment, whether it's for wire transfer, PayPal, or any other bank gateway, you can install and you can just configure that payment gateway as well. So if you go in invoices again, and if you check here, invoices. So here you can get all the invoices details here. So from that, you can see the customer name, on which date your invoice is generated, as well as this is the application number for specific application, and the company, as well as who generated the invoices. You can see the salesperson details as well. And if you set up any due date, you can also generate the due date. And the taxes included, and the tax and total amount, and whether it's a paid or a draft stage, you can also check those details. So same with the, you can also see here, you get the option that's a products. So those are the products you can add and you can create, and you can change the prices of your, if you are selecting RTS coaching, you get option to select the price. If you want to add the tax, you can add. Otherwise, if you remove the tax, so it's including taxes. And this services is only can be sold. It's not can be purchased. So you can just select as a can be sold. So this is how you can create your services. Depends which services you provide for your consultancy. So here, if you look at the payments option, so here you can see all the payments and the payment journal. You can see here we have set up bank and cash. So here you only just do. Here you also, whether the payment method type, whether it's automatic, manually, and the payment amount you can see, and the posted details here. So this is how you can configure. And same with the reporting section, you can also generate the report for the invoices, and you can see, and you can also group by salesperson, or whether you have a specific sales team. So you can also select those, and you can generate the reporting for that. So in this video, that's it for today. So we have changed access rights, so we can only see those details here. So we can also do the customization as per client's requirement. And if you need more information, just send it to an email. Send an email to our contact at the rate serpentcs.com. So thank you for watching the video. Have a good night.